Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. In this video, we'll just discuss like a kind of overview whatever we have done with the methods of predicate. In first scenario, in this first box, what we did, we tried to perform two operations altogether, like testing for if this predicate is even and if it is greater than 50. So it gives us 68. Later, we go for the method of predicate, that is AND. So predicate reference dot and then one more predicate and then test, and that goes for next. So right now and or this and they are same and generate the same output. Later I tried for or, that means even number or greater than 50, both will be considered. In that case I will get this output. So all even numbers plus greater than 50, that's output. That's how OR works. Negate. So even predicate generates all even numbers. I want to negate it, like reverse of it. So instead of getting odd even numbers, we will get odd numbers. So there's this. So we are getting these numbers from this collection. This collection. The last one says negate of greater than 50. So idea was getting all the numbers greater than 50. That's the condition. I should be greater than 50. Now we are using negate method on it. Negate to what? Reverse the operation. So now we will get all the numbers less than 50. So you can see on right side we are getting all the numbers are less than 50. So that's how predicate method works. In next video we will talk about what is function predicate. Sorry, function interface. Yeah, there's an interface whose name is function, and that's one of the function interface. So let's see how it works. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's do the next video. Bye bye.